Alright, so let's start with the base part. So obviously it's gonna have a top and a base, so we will do both the parts separately, and let's start with the base. And the first thing that we want to do is make sure our units are in inches. So for that, let's go to tools, options, and you can come over here. Where is that? General. Okay. Parameters and measures inside general. Come to units, and in the length you can go for inch. Okay, now let's go for a start by design. Alright, give it a name. Let's say manhole base. Okay, now for the very first sketch, let's go for visor plane. Go to sketch, and let's draw some circles. One more. Give it a constraint dimension. So both the circles, the outer one is 24.2 because we are going for a 24 inches uh, manhole, which is the standard, and this one is 25.75. Okay, so we are going for 24 inches. Yeah, so then we'll exit the workbench, and we will pad it for about 2 inches. Let's preview it. Okay, perfect. We'll do another sketch. So for that, let's select this face, go for a sketch, and we will do one more circle. Select the circle, give it a dia 22. Alright, now select the inner circle. Okay, so let's do another circle of 25. Right, so it's somewhere between the earlier two circles. You can go for exact also, but let's keep it like that. And then we will do the extrusion again. For this extrusion, let's go for 0.9, and we can do some fillets. So let's say we can give fillets for these two, 1 and 2, about 0.1. That looks fine. Alright, so yeah, that's it with the base of our manhole cover, and we'll do the main manhole cover part in the next video.